Cooking World channel. We are here with another video of homemade popsicles. Contents for grape flavor: grapes, sugar. Peel the skin from grapes, cut them to small pieces. And remove the seeds. Add the grapes along with 1 tablespoon of sugar into saucepan. After adding sugar, mix the grapes and sugar thoroughly until the sugar caramelizes. Add grapes to jar. Toss it twice and heat the grapes until it turns into a jelly form. Now add 1½ tablespoon of sugar with 1/4 cup of water. Add the grapes to a mixer and blend it thoroughly. Filter the grape juice into a clean bowl. Now add the grapes mix to the tray and fill with the grape juice. Subscribe to Cooking World channel and press the bell icon to turn on the notification. Now your grapes mix is ready to be freezed. Freeze it for 3 to 4 hours. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, click the like button, share it to your friends and subscribe to Cooking World channel.